Hello everybody. So I'm here to talk a little bit about Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree in my area, I was told that they're not going up. They're still $1. They said some other locations is the $1.25. But let me show y'all what they are doing. Look how small the bottles of laundry detergent is. This is 42 ounces. Here's another one. 42 ounces. Let me show you. You guys know what it used to be. But for those of you who don't know, here's the bigger one. This is what they were selling all along. This is the 64 ounces. Okay. These are some excellent laundry detergents. You know, and I understand inflation. Here is another one. The fabric softener. This is the 42 ounces. They only do 21 loads. Here is the original, just about 2 months ago. Okay, and this is the 64 ounce. It does 32 loads. So I'm not pleased with this because even though you didn't go up on your pricing in some of the stores in my area, you're going to have to buy two, because if you're used to buying one laundry detergent, right, and get to use it on a lot of clothes, then you're going to give us this little thing here, so we're going to have to buy two of these. So that would be $2. That's even more than $1.25. Now I don't know what is going on in the stores where it is $1.25. Are the laundry detergents in the store that's $1.25 still small like this, or is it the regular 64 ounces? Like I said, I understand inflation and everything. Things are going to go up, but why are you downsizing the products? I saw some other products. I'm like, I'm not going to continue to buy these products when I can go to the local dollar stores and get a great big old laundry detergent. Hey, I may pay a little bit more, but it's still going to be cheaper than this because I'm going to have to double it up, Ounces mean a whole lot in products, ounces and weights and stuff like that. It means a whole lot, and you have to shop around different places. Am I going to still go to Dollar Tree? Sure I am. But if you continue to downsize all the products, I'm going to start looking for an alternative, Either it's going to be a dollar store or it's not. I saw something else there that was real small, and I'm like, oh, the candy packs are real small. So if you take your kids to Dollar Tree and you give them like $5 and you say you can get yourself some candy, the package is just like this, like maybe 10 candies in it. No, so that means if I buy 3 of them, it's still not going to be that much. I'd rather take my $3 or $4 and go to Walmart or my other favorite dollar stores, pay a little extra, but I have a much bigger package. So this is somewhat of a rant. I'm going to get off, but I was so disappointed. Because these are one of my favorite inexpensive laundry detergents, and stop doing this, Dollar Tree. Don't do that to us. If you're going to raise the price, keep the products the same. I wouldn't mind paying $1.25 if you keep the packaging the same. Okay. All right, y'all. I'm gone. Thanks for watching. I'll see you again. Bye.